So I'm trying to quit my job and go full-time as an Amazon influencer, Amazon affiliate, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. I'm trying to do all of those things. And in today's video, we're going to look for a winning product to make a video on. What is up, Life Gamers? My name is Charlie, and in this video, we are searching for winning products to do videos for the Amazon influencer program, affiliate linking, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, all of that, because we want to quit our job. We've got like 3 months of a contract left, and we want to have a little bit of a nice landing pad whenever we get done with that. So usually what I would do is I would take a look at trending data. Like I could take a look and see, you know, we're in July right now, so maybe I would look for Halloween stuff. Maybe I would look for fall home decor stuff. Maybe early Christmas shoppers could be a kind of thing that I would look for a good item to do a video about. But we have a dog that is on some restricted movement, so we're going to be looking for dog pads. Okay, dog pads are a place for a dog to use the bathroom in a restricted area, right? Or maybe you're dealing with a dog that maybe they are not potty trained yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to search just for the item, and this is just a start. We're going to be looking for all different kinds of things. But I've got some parameters already locked in. Okay, the first one is 300 daily sales or better. I'm sorry, 330 day sales or better. 10,000 in revenue, at least one influencer video, and less than 9 or less videos. And so that is kind of the criteria that we're looking for. We have a bunch of good opportunities already here. 100 daily sales, 13 daily sales, 33 daily sales. All of these are going to be well and good. We're just going to kind of take a look at each and one of them individually. This one right here has a high viral score, but a low break-even calendar score. It's going to take 39 days for this. Like if we get a video, if we publish a video to Amazon and it takes off, like it gets published to the main carousel, and that is the videos in the top, then it'll take roughly 39 days for this product to break even. We're looking for products that are going to break even in less than a month so that we can quickly get our return on investment. Here we go. So here's one. So this is a big pad, 40 count, 30, 18. It looks like specifically the 40 count is good. There are 5 influencer videos already. And again, those are these videos right here in the top. You can see 5 videos. When you open that up, so you can see here there are 5 videos for this product. You have the manufacturer seller video, which is always going to be there. It's always going to be pinned to the top. You have videos from the reviews of this product down at the bottom. And then you have 2 influencer videos, right? And it's important that your product has some influencer videos, because if there's 0 influencer videos, there's a good chance that the seller does not want to have or has not turned on the ability to have influencer videos in the top carousel, right? And then there's a bottom carousel down here at the bottom. Oh, this is the bottom carousel right here, excuse me. Bottom carousel right here. So the bottom carousel, but that's obviously you want to be higher up. Okay, so we look at this product again. Go back to the calculator. It's this one right here. This is an estimation based on, one, you're making a good enough video to get into that carousel, and there's room for I think you can have up to 9, maybe 10. They keep changing it, but I think you can have 10 videos in the carousel. So if there's only 5 there, then your video is guaranteed to get in if you make and upload a video, right? And discuss how to make videos and all that, a completely separate video. But if you can make a video for this and get in the top carousel, this is based on that. So a 1% attribution rate, 3% commission rate, that's what the product has, is 3% commission on site here. It's going to take me 25 days to break even on this product, okay? And it's going to net me $40.49 per month estimated profit, right? This is all estimations and everything. $40.49 based on sales volume, based on the price, based on all of that. So this is a winning product, right? And since this is a product that we need anyway, we are buying this product. We're going to buy this product. We're going to have it delivered. Hopefully the doggo stops peeing on the carpet and pees on this instead. It's a $27 investment, and it's something that I'm planning on buying anyway for our family or for our household. This is a no-brainer. Now, the only issue with this product, and there is a big issue with this, simple products like this, they don't necessarily get a lot of video views, okay? It's very straightforward, this product. There might be some questions that a lot of people might have about a product like this before they purchase, but since it's kind of a simple product, it's not like a complex coffee machine or maybe like a grill. How long does it take to build the grill? Since it's not something like that, you have to find the things that people are actually looking for as far as question and answer for this product. And let me move my camera out of the way here. You can see the, well, let me scroll back up to the top. The Alexa for shopping right there. Click on that, and it's going to give you the most popular questions about this product. All right. Can these be used for cats? Is this good for overnight use? Do they have adhesive straps? Are the pads reusable? And, why you might like this is kind of a generic term. If your video includes answers to those questions, then you're going to have a good opportunity to not only rank on the carousel, but two, if people do watch videos to get answers about this product and your video answers those questions, then they're going to be more likely to buy after watching your video than one of the other videos in that carousel. Yeah, this is a win. This is a winning product. We're buying this. Of course, now I'm sure all of you are going to buy it as well. That's okay. I don't even care. I'm not even mad about it. We're going to get this product in tomorrow morning. We're going to get a video and everything filmed for it with my my dog, special guest here. Going to have it published tomorrow as well. And we'll start making money with this product, and then we'll find some new ones. So if you're interested in more guides like this, please consider subscribing. Like this video, share this video with people in your, in your group, in your community that are also learning how to do this kind of stuff. And if you want access to this Viral View software, I have a download link in the description box down below. There's a free version and there's also a paid version. And if you want to do the paid version, which is very helpful for messaging creators in bulk and searching for things on a higher level, I got a 10% coupon in there as well. So yeah, use that code LifeGamer10, I believe it is. And let me know in the comment section down below if you want access to my seasonal trends chart here. It's the kind of thing that I look for in, for example, in July. If we're in July, what kinds of things are going to be selling in October, August, September, October, right? It's a three-month lead time. And it also has a bunch of keywords that you can search for, that you can manipulate and try out for yourself to try to find different winning products for your Amazon influencer, affiliate, YouTube affiliate, TikTok affiliate, whatever business. Yeah. Good luck, everybody. Let's quit our jobs.